The Safety Investigators course is a 4-day course which covers off the curriculum for one particular unit of competency, which is a workplace health and safety investigation and initial response qualification under the Australian Qualifications Framework. But having said that, we are largely oriented towards safety in the aviation industry, operational safety. It also encompasses things like quality investigations and is certainly at home with either workplace health and safety, quality, or operational safety investigations. So I think it really encompasses all of those three, and we discuss the differences. We are a contemporary course in that we look systemically at how things unfold when we're investigating. We're a long way past the blame game, and we see that we are really trying to not just look at root causes, but contributing factors. We're heavily into examining all of the systemic influences that lead to breakdowns, and really that's the overview of what we're trying to achieve. So we see a lot of safety investigators from airlines, from aviation operations, airports, that type of thing, maintenance organisations. We get a lot of those people who are investigating specific operational safety incidents. We also get a lot of quality people who are doing quality investigations, and we get people who are specifically in the workplace health and safety space who are doing those types of investigations. All three are covered by this particular course quite nicely. So it used to be a 3-day course, which was mostly theory and had little practical exercises to sort of partly implement that theory and practice it. By going to a 4-day course, we've also enhanced the practical aspects as they reinforce the theory on the way through. But we now do a full 1-day safety investigation where the students get to implement all of the theory that they've learned in practice. They do interviews, they do data gathering, interpretation, some root cause analysis, and we look at different root cause analysis tools, different methodologies on the way through the course. So they get to apply a lot of what they've learned in a quite realistic sort of scenario, which is really working well and tends to be really well enjoyed by all the participants. They get a lot out of it.